So what we want to demonstrate today is how to take out a lower window sash from this window. Basically, you make sure it's unlocked. You have to pick it up just to get it past this lip on the inside, or it won't come out. Push in these two prongs right here. Pull the window towards yourself, and then lift one side higher than the other. Move the window all the way down, and pull the window out. So what we have here is the upper sash that's already been prepared. We've already put the gasket on it, as you can see. Just want to make a quick note about your gasket. Don't ever separate your gasket in the corners. The only place that it should have a seam is in the top right corner or the top left corner, wherever you started at. But don't ever come across the top here and break it and then start another piece and break it down there, because it will cause moisture to get through the window barrier and they'll end up wanting us to replace it. One thing too I want you to know is when you have to differentiate the front and the back, the outside and the inside. The outside is darker than the inside, and I'll show you. So that's what the outside looks like, and the inside is much brighter. And your stickers are also on the inside, so they can take them off and clean the window. So all right, let's get to installing it. I want to show you how to replace the upper sash. This is a 3052 window. It's notorious for having the black gasket behind it. It's not glued in, so it's super easy to get out. So basically, you just take your 5-in-1, put behind the spline right here. Once you can get your finger behind it, you just want to push down and pull up at the same time, and the spline rolls out. You want to make sure that you roll the spline out, because if you don't, if you pull it straight out, you could damage the spline and you can't reuse it. So then we take the next one out. Okay, so now once you have all the splines out, you just want to reach from the outside of the window and just kind of give it a push. And as you see, it just comes right out. Just grab it, pull the window out. Okay, so if your windows, when you're trying to put your lower sash back in, this gap is too wide from the other window or the other wall, basically you just want to move this down to get that closer. You can move it down or move it up, but you just put your 5-in-1 inside this little key right here and turn it vertical to lock it, or horizontal to get it to flow wherever you need it to go.